Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
What's happening guys, this is Jones here back with another video, and in this video we'll be unboxing and taking a first look at the newly launched Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any further delays, let's get started. So we have the box over here. I ordered it from Flipkart and it arrived in 2 to 3 days. It's a 4GB RAM version of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's unbox it. The packaging is pretty cool. So here we have the box itself. This is some bill which I will keep aside. And here we have the box of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The box is pretty simple. Here we have the logo and the diagram of the phone itself. To the back we have the specifications listed over here. For example, it has a 5.99-inch screen and a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup, and it's running on Snapdragon 636 processor and has a 4100 mAh battery. So now let's keep all these things to the side and open the box itself. So let's cut the seal. The packaging is pretty clean. Actually, it reminds me of the Apple's packaging. They also do in the same way, and the packaging is pretty clean. So we have one more seal over here. Let's cut the seal also, and that's it. We have the phone itself. Let me open the box. We have one more seal to the back. Let me cut that also. Now the phone will come in one piece. The first thing that we have inside the box is some reading manuals and a case for the phone. Let me take that to the side. The case is a dark frosted case, and it will give you some pretty neat protection for your phone until you buy a really hard case for your phone. So that's that. And the second thing that we have inside is the phone itself. We have our phone in the black color, and it says AI powered dual rear cameras, vivid backlight and low light photos. It also says 20 megapixel front camera, which is also powered by AI, that is artificial intelligence powered beauty selfie light. And we also have the sticker for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, which is a 14 nanometer octa-core processor, and this is one of the best processor that you can buy for under 15,000 rupees, or maybe 20,000 also. To the back we have the camera, the fingerprint scanner, and to the bottom we have the USB Type-C port, the speakers, the headphone jack, the noise cancellation mic. We also have one more mic and the infrared blaster to the top of the device. Let's keep the device aside for some time. Let's click on the power button so that the phone boots up. Actually, now it's booting up. Let's see what all we have inside the box itself. Now we have one more manual which says Redmi Note 5 Pro, and also has some different informations like the e-waste information, temperature information, SAR value, etc. is listed on this page. Let's keep this aside. And here we have some more manuals. Who reads now these kind of manuals? I don't know, but let's keep all these things aside. Now we have the phone also has booted up, so let's keep that aside as well. The rating is not given here, which is, rating is here. You can zoom and read the rating if you are into that kind of stuff. Let me keep this also aside. And we have the USB Type-C charging cable, which is pretty short for a USB Type-C cable, but then it's fine. We can even buy another case or a charging cable if we need that. So let's come back to the phone itself. The phone looks absolutely gorgeous. It's thin, it's thick, it's a bit heavy, but in a very good way. So that's that. And if we go here and See, other informations are given here. We have to select the language and other stuff, which I will do later. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. If you see this phone, this is one of the best phones that you can buy for under 20,000 rupees. This is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and I have the 4GB RAM version of this phone. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones, and I am signing off.